Hello dear viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I want to introduce another free design spreadsheet which will enable you to calculate wind load on building, vertical walls, freestanding walls, flat roof, dual pitch roof, and where you can determine the basic wind speed and direction factor and effective height. So you can see you need to enable content. You need to fill all your data here. You come to a building, fill all the data of the building here. That is standard wind load, standard pressure coefficient, overall building loads, vertical walls. You need to fill your data here and you will get the output. Net pressure on wall, long and short. Here you need to fill your data. I will change the data here and you'll get your output. So flat roof, for dual pitch roof. So this one is automated, so it will save your time from doing all that manual. Basic wind speed, you can see here, depending on your country and zone. So you can see direction factors and effective height, significance, topography, size effects, so if you need to download these free design spreadsheets, I will include a link in my description where you can download. So in my desktop here you can see I have RCC. If I go here, you can see this right here, RCC design spreadsheet. So I will include a link where you can download this RCC design. If you unzip this, if I can open, so if I go to by others, so you can see this is my design spreadsheets for wind. So thank you. I will see you in another video like this. If you like this video and you need to see more other videos like this, consider to subscribe to my YouTube channel.